Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at how to add a slide to a Blackboard website's banner. And the only difference is, in Blackboard, that banner is called a Multimedia Rotator. So, let's get going. Now the first thing that you want to do is go to your organization's Blackboard webpage, click on Sign In the top right hand corner of the screen, enter in your access information, your username and your password. Click Sign In. Next, click on Site Manager in the top right. Then click on Homepage. Here on the homepage, we're going to click on the MMR, that stands for Multimedia Rotator. Notice that indicates that all slides that go into the Multimedia Rotator should be 670 by 465. Go ahead and click on the Multimedia Rotator, and we'll take a look at a few things that are available for you. First of all, with the slides that are already in existence, you may go ahead and inactivate them or activate them by simply clicking on the icon to the left of the slide. You can also sort them into a different order by clicking on the Sort button. This opens up a new window in which you may either click on Sort alphabetically, or you can sort by dragging and dropping. We're going to keep the order as is for right now, so I will close this window by hitting Cancel. In order to create a new slide, click on New Record. You must enter in a title for the record, and this title will match a Google Doc that I will be linking to the slide. And the name of this Google Doc is Traffic Pattern Rules. So, going back to this, in the title box I will enter in Traffic Pattern Rules. I'm going to click on Hide, so that way the title of the slide will not appear, because it's really not needed. I'm not going to include a caption. Captions are optional. If you type out a caption, it will appear beneath the slide and can be a little distracting in my opinion. So I'm going to click on the checkbox next to it that says Hide. Next thing we need to do is upload an image. So click on Upload Image, and then choose it from your list of downloads. In this particular example, I'm going to click on Traffic Pattern Rules. This is a slide I had made previously for our website. I'm going to double click on this, but as you can see, it is not uploading. It says you have not uploaded a file, it is working, it is making an effort. It's not going to succeed, however, because the file name is incorrect. You see, Blackboard will not accept file names that have special characters in them. Going back to New Record, we're going to click on Upload Image once again and take a look at the file name. The file name has parentheses 1 and parentheses. We have to get rid of those parentheses. So to rename the file, you right click on it, and normally this happens very quickly. Try this again. Right click on it, there we go. We click on Rename in the window that opens up. And we're going to fix the file name by eliminating the unnecessary characters. Just click outside of that and the new file name is saved. Now we can double click on the file and it has been uploaded. I'm going to enter in the title name once again now. So traffic pattern rules. I want to hide it, hide the caption. The alternative text simply explains to people who are sight impaired what is in the image. So image of a bulldozer as part of an advertisement regarding new traffic pattern rules. And I'm just going to scroll through this to make certain that there are no misspellings. Alright, looks good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to display duration, and I can, if I would like, put an end date on here. However, I'm going to leave it blank for right now, so that way it stays active for a lengthy period of time. I can also click on viewers. By default, all website visitors can view the record. You can limit who is able to view it by adding specific users or groups. Currently, all visitors can view this record, which is what I would like, so I'm going to keep it as is. Going back to the record here, I can click on link in image, and the web address will be this Google Doc right here. And regarding anything that you want to link, make certain that it is accessible by anybody who has the link. The way you do that with a Google Doc is to go over to the share tag here, click on it, and make certain here that it says that anyone with the link can view it. Make certain it does not say that anybody with a link can edit the document. That would be a big mistake. So anyone who has a link can access, no sign-in required. So that is exactly what I want. I'm going to click on copy link. The link has been copied to the clipboard. So going back to the Blackboard site, I'm going to make certain that the field here has the desired link. I'm going to hit Control V, which enters in the URL. You can also go through the URL just to make certain that it is correct. And then you click on Save. And the little message appears at the bottom, Success, you created your record. To see what the website now looks like with this new slide added to the Multimedia Rotator, simply click on this link up here that says View Website. Expand it out, and you can see this new slide right here. Notice that this message here on the new slide says click on the link in the bottom right to learn the new carpool and parking guidelines. That link will be right here, and it's a good idea to always check on it. So we're going to click on this link here to make certain that it pulls up the desired document, and it does. Going back to viewing the website, notice that if there is a link, there is a semi-transparent rectangular white bar here at the bottom. For that reason, avoid putting text here at the bottom of your slide. If there is no link, and you indicated that you want to hide the name of the slide, and you wanted to hide the caption, there will be no white rectangular bar at the bottom of the slide. And that's all there is to adding a slide to your Multimedia Rotator, also known as the website banner. As you can see, adding a slide to a Multimedia Rotator is very easy to do. So easy, even Bubby here would be able to do it. So, thank you for watching this video today. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you will be notified by email every time a new video is published. Please like the video, comment on it, share it with friends. And once again, thank you for watching Classroom Digital Tools. Have a great day.